How to install bathroom wall ceramic tiles step by step. Complete professional guide. Welcome to the channel. Hand waving before we start. Don't forget to support the video by liking, thumbs up, subscribing, bell, and leaving a comment below. Your support really helps the video reach more people and keeps this content going. I truly appreciate all your feedback, whether it's positive or constructive criticism. Your opinions matter and help me improve and bring you better, more professional work every time. If you enjoy this type of content and want to learn more about ceramic tile installation step by step, make sure to stay till the end. Let's get started. Fire. Learn how to install bathroom wall ceramic tiles step by step with this complete professional guide. In this detailed video, you will discover the correct method to prepare the wall. Mix cement and adhesive properly, and start tiling from the right position for a perfect level and alignment. This tutorial is designed for both beginners and professionals who want to achieve clean, modern, and long-lasting results in bathroom wall tiling. We cover everything you need to know, from surface preparation using cement and sand, checking wall alignment, and using the right tools, to cutting ceramic tiles accurately and installing them with strong adhesion. You will also learn how to handle corners, edges, and difficult spaces with precision, ensuring every tile is placed perfectly without gaps or uneven lines. In addition, this video shows the secrets of professional tilers, including how to maintain consistent spacing, how to apply adhesive evenly, and how to avoid common mistakes that can ruin the final look. Whether you are renovating a bathroom or working on a new project, this method guarantees a smooth finish and high-quality results that last for years. By following this step-by-step process, you will improve your tiling skills, save time, and work more efficiently using simple tools and practical techniques. Watch until the end to see the full transformation and final result, and learn how to turn any bathroom wall into a professional ceramic tile installation.